Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to add money to PayPal mobile app. Okay, so first thing that you do is you just have to open your PayPal application on your mobile device. Then after that, you just have to open your or tap on the PayPal balance. So for example, this one. Okay, so tap on the balance, and then here you'd be able to see the add money or add your balance or add from bank. So for example, on the app, you just have to tap the finances and then add from your bank. And then you just have to choose a funding source, so your linked bank account or the BET card, so if supported in your country. So here, as you can see, we don't have that option. We only have the transfer because it depends on the country. Availability matters. So some top-up methods are only available in certain countries. For example, one user in the Philippines wrote, if I'm not mistaken, you can only add money to PayPal from US bank account. So PayPal mentions adding money to PayPal account from a bank account may not be available in some countries. So it includes the Philippines. So we cannot really find that option right here. But since we are from the Philippines and we use PayPal for work freelancing, I suggest we are going to log in with our PayPal app and check if you see add money. So, or add it to your balance. But if you don't see that option, we can still link our bank or credit card and use PayPal directly for payments or receiving funds. So, to do that, just have to tap on the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner of your screen. That's right. And then tap on your wallet. Okay. And then right here, you have the add new option for banks and credit cards. So tap on it. And then you have bank accounts and debit and credit cards. So for example, we are going to add new credit cards or debit cards. We just have to scan the information or enter your card information right here. So here, if we are going to receive payments from freelancing into PayPal, so we might not need a big preload. So you can receive, then transfer out as needed. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.